Hello children, it's me Uma. Today let's move on to Science Chapter 7 Water Part 3. Learning Objective: to know about rain as a source of fresh water and save water. Introduction: water comes down to the earth in the form of rain, snow, hail, etc. Rain is the main source of fresh water. It gets collected in oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, and other water bodies. Less or no rainfall in an area causes the level of water in water resources such as pond, well, etc. to decrease. Due to such conditions, shortage of water or scarcity of water is created, which results in drying of agricultural land and shortage of food grains. Thus, water scarcity is the lack of sufficient available water resources to meet water needs within a region. Save water. Fresh water is available on the earth in a limited amount only. So, we must save it. Let us save water by watering the plants with a bucket of water instead of a hose pipe. Washing the car or scooter with a bucket of water instead of a water pipe. Not wasting too much of water on festivals like Holi. Keeping taps closed while brushing our teeth. At last, bathing with the help of a bucket and mug instead of a shower. Practice Zone 2. Question number 1. Write true or false. A. Water is transparent. The correct answer is true. B. Water is salty in taste. False. C. Water does not change its shape. False. And D. Water in a well is in the liquid form. True. And question number 2. How does the taste of water change if we add sugar to it? Water has no taste of its own. When sugar is added and mixed with water, the water turns sweet. Practice Zone 3. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The process by which water changes into vapor on heating is called dash evaporation. And B. Water vapor rises up, meets cool air and forms dash. The correct answer is clouds. And question number 2. Name the various processes involved in a water cycle. Various processes involved in a water cycle are evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Here are the questions. So read these questions carefully and write your answers in your science note. Question number 1. Name few water bodies. Number 2. Dash is a source of fresh water. Number 3. Define scarcity of water. And number 4. How will you save water? Thank you children. See you in the next video.